Got some jet skiers trying to invade. This guy's gonna eat it. There's like launch stuff there.
Holy cow.
That had to hurt.
That guy got hurt.
He's like, This guy's like, oh, I just got a face full of water all up in my grill.
Lost his sunglasses.
Probably, huh?
Take a look to your left, the side of this mountain. It looks like there's been a lot of logging done up there. Well, that's really not the case. That is the Homewood ski area, and that is still one of the most popular family resorts of Lake Tahoe. You can tell the views of the lake are incredible from up there, and it feels like you're skiing right down into the water. That little hill doesn't look like it, but it's got 8 chairlifts and 57 runs. And it's very family-oriented. Lots of activities.
Homewood's super
We
fun.
have the ski patrol races held there every year, and also the last day of the ski season they have what they call the furniture race. They just slap some boards on a piece of furniture and head downhill at breakneck speeds. It's got
You
to
look
the
sexy,
point
babe.
where you're alive at the bottom, you'll win.
Your hair looks nice.
Now the resort of Homewood starts